me a loan, I will return you
Yeah,
in,
yeah, yeah,
right? In
yeah,
1 hour.
yeah.
In 1 hour, you can
No,
charge,
no, I understand.
right? In one
Yeah,
hour.
it's still a good,
So if you
it's
have,
still a good
yeah, if you have like some
business.
kind of
Yes,
account, so you always have, some kind of margin facility, right? If you open
yeah,
account,
because if you think in terms of bank, bank
mhm.
doing this process, the bank has a lot of money.
Yes,
I mean, available more than 10,000. So they can do it like I don't know, 10 million or 100 million. So it will
they can
be
even do in
too
billions.
much money. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, exactly, exactly.
So
In this
Even
sense,
for 10,000, if it's someone who is doing this for like as a career and they do this kind of transactions many times a day with only 10,000.
exactly,
yeah, yeah, yeah. But this is the thing. Okay, everything is perfect, but once this not going well, you can lose much more money. So
yes, that's why
that's
I'm
why
talking
I'm
about.
saying that there is no such a thing that's riskless. I know that the risk is small, but
Mhm.
still there is a risk.
No risk is small. This is riskless. No risk. No.
So
So
I
this
don't
is
know.
Nicola.
I
So
never see it. I never see
let's
anything without risk.
Life is a risk, right? Every step you
Yes,
take.
exactly. Always there is a
let
risk.
me just explain,
Okay,
guys. Let me just
1.0
explain.
risk. Okay. Always risk.
Let me just explain. My pen stopped working. I don't know why, but let me just explain. Nicola and David. Okay, here we go. So you, for example, you borrowed from your friend. Okay, give me just $10,000, or you have in your personal account $10,000, right? You see this kind of opportunity, you invest and you sell. You have now. Let me just. Now you have earned 78, and now you have 10,078. You repeat that process again, right? And you can
So
see
I
the same
understood
option.
this. I know.
Please
I
let me finish.
understood that.
Please,
Oh,
Nicola, let
sorry,
me finish.
sorry.
Okay, now what happened here? You start doing this, you create a chain reaction. Or maybe you are not the only one. There are others as well. For example, these financial analysts who are given, for example, fund managers, treasury managers, right? Traders who trade in currencies, right? So there are people, for example, mutual funds, they have their own trading analyst over there. So they have not just $10,000, they have millions and billions of dollars. So for example, a one fund manager, just giving you the example, a one senior manager, his responsibility to manage around $10 billion of fund. So look at that. If he even invests $500 million here for 2 seconds, look at his return. And they are given targets. If you earn in monthly 10%, above 10% is your profit. So that's why you heard about this, the finance guy, they earn crazy money, man. Man, they were earn crazy money. Why? Because of that. Their salaries is just maybe $5,000 a month, but their bonuses are in millions. Have you seen The Wolf of Wall Street, the movie?
Yeah.
Right? They are earning crazy monies just because of that. And there are other tricks beside this locational arbitrage. There are some,
Like
insurance,
depositing money into the
yeah,
bank.
deposit money. It's like that, and this is riskless. In 1 second,
So,
in 2 seconds, you just find out that that's it.
sir, I understand that. I understand the investments with
Mhm.
big sums of money, but I'm talking about the currency exchange. I don't think I've ever seen like two different places where you could
You didn't see
see.
because you are not, all the time on the screens or watching down from your desktop what's going on in the forex market.
So it happens rarely. Is that what you're saying? It's not like it's
Yeah, it
always.
happens. It happens all the time. That's why we are studying here. But the window of this opportunity of this locational arbitrage is very small, maybe in minutes, maybe
Oh, okay,
in 1 hour. That's it,
okay, okay.
right?
Understood.
So
Yes.
you just buy, you sell, and then buy, you sell, And on your screens, there are different kind of softwares and different kind of stuff you can just compare as well. You can compare different kind. Plus, there are different softwares who give you this kind of opportunity as well.
Oh yeah.
You write it down
Like
some softwares. You write down some software and you find, okay, if any kind of this opportunity occurs, just pop it out on my window. And you immediately,
yeah.
you just call your manager, look, give me just $10 million right now. There is a locational arbitrage. It will wipe out in 10 minutes whatsoever. We can earn a lot of money. And that's it. And everybody start doing it because everybody has this kind of softwares and programs to find out this one. Locational arbitrage does occur, but the window of this opportunity to earn locational arbitrage is very, very limited. That's why it says arbitrage is realign the market, right? We learned about here. See?
Yep.
Realignment due to locational arbitrage drives price adjust in different locations so as to eliminate discrepancies. But this is riskless, zero risk. There is no risk. Why? Because if prices are back to normal, then you just convert 10,000 and back to 10,000. No loss. Nicola.
But I think Nicola is implying that when they're back
Yes,
to normal,
yes,
they even drop.
I understood, sir. Yes,
You know,
I agree. I totally agree. But what I'm saying is like, let's leave it this kind of operations for banks because I wouldn't do it by myself. Just this.
Of
I
course,
see the opportunity,
you
but
can.
I don't have. Yeah,
Yeah,
sir,
you can do that. You can ask
Nicola,
money.
just this.
You can ask money. You can ask. These
Nicola
are.
is implying that.
Yes, David.
I just want to clarify that Nicola implying that when you want to convert back because you didn't have enough time to convert and get the profit, the ask rate will be even lower. So
No,
you're actually
exactly,
lost in
It
the
exactly.
is
end.
just a matter of click nowadays on screen. You just
Yeah.
need to press two
It's true.
clicks,
That's true. Yeah.
buy and simultaneously sell, and then again buy and then sell, then again buy and then sell. It's just the clicking. Have you ever play those games of like Hong Kong,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Like
The
that.
time matters. Yeah.
And when the opportunities go, the program, it will just deactivate, and you are no longer just clicking. Everything is done.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand that?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
like
Yeah.
that. But it needs, like all the time, it's need 100% attention on your screen, right?
Yes, you cannot click and then go take a coffee and then go back. Do you know what
Arbitrage.
I'm saying? You cannot do it. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
That's
Okay.
why the arbitrage, this opportunity, everybody in the world is watching. Now there are like more than 10,000, more than 7,000, more than 10,000 mutual funds, industry, companies, simply in Wall Street. And all of them, they are aware of this stuff as well. They have programs and everybody start doing click, 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 and that's it. Until the price is adjusted to its equilibrium level, that's it. And look at that, it's not just Wall Street, it is Hong Kong as well, Singapore as well, Malaysia as well, Pakistan as well, Russia as well, China as well, Shanghai as well, Shenzhen as well, right? And everybody is over there doing this kind of stuff because all the things are interconnected. Now you got my idea?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If you got my idea, then
I was
please
just curious. Sorry.
answer this question. Try to solve it on a hard paper. It will be very easy for you to digest this concept, and also it's easy for you to go through this practical example by your hands. So let me just repeat that so that those who are watching this video, it's very easy for them to understand as well. Here we go. Assume the bid rate of the New Zealand dollar is 0.33. So remember, whenever you read this kind of stuff, so make this kind of table. Let me just, this kind of table, one bank and the other bank. Then it will be very easy for you to make the analysis. So assume the bid rate of the New Zealand dollar is 0.33, while the ask rate is 0.335 in bank X. Assume the bid rate of New Zealand dollar is 0.32 and the ask rate is 0.325 at bank Y. You can make just a table, separate two tables, bank X and bank Y, bid and ask. So given the information, you have $1 million to use. So now execute locational arbitrage. Does they have a locational arbitrage? Yes. How? Because you see that the bid of bank X, Y are not same. Ask of bank Y and X, they are not same. How you can do them? Find it out. I'm just going to pause the video for a while for 5 minutes so that you can solve it, and then we talk about together. Okay, guys, let's do this. I hope you already find out the answer. So let's do it together to match your answer. So I told you that whenever you read this kind of question, please do write it in form of locational arbitrage format. For example, this is location A, location B, we have bank X, and we have bank Y. Write it down, bid and ask, bid and ask. So bank X, ask is 335, and we are talking about in New Zealand dollar. So let's just write it down, New Zealand dollar here. And it's 3. All amounts are in dollar. And this is dollar 0.32 for bank Y bid, and ask is 0.32. Now, how you can make a profit from location A to location B? So remember, what is the profit formula? Buy low, sell high. Find out that situation here. Let me just change the color here. Here we go. So where you can buy less and can sell high. If you want to buy from here, from bank X, what rate going to be given to you? Ask rate. And if you want to sell it to location B, bank Y, and you sell it, you will be given this rate. So that is the opposite. This is buy high, sell low, right? The opposite one. What if you buy from bank Y? So bank Y will give you the ask rate 0.332, right? You buy 0.323. And when you sell it to the bank, to location A, bank X, you sell it 0.33 and the bank will give you the bid rate 0.33. There is a profit here? Yes. And how you can do that? So you have, I don't have space here to write. Let me just share white screen here. There we go. Erase all. Let me